Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So these easy hairstyles with the poof do not require any teasing or backcombing and they're easy enough to be done in a minute. So let's get started. So here I have already got my poof ready and I'm just using the back of my comb to poof it out equally. Then take a 2-inch section right there and braid that into a 3-strand braid all the way till the end. Secure the ends with a rubber band. Now pull on the braid to make it look bigger. Take the braid over the poof and pass it to the other side. Cross it over the bobby pins to hide them so they are not seen. Now secure on the other side with bobby pins and pull some hair over it to cover it. Take a small section of hair on the other side and twist it. Cover the partition with the twist and secure with bobby pins. And that's how it looks from the top and sides. For the second one, take a section on the sides just like this. Now take the section towards the back and keep it flat till you reach the back of the ear. Once you reach the back of the ear, start twisting it just like this. And while twisting, tug on the twist to make it look bigger and more voluminous. And this is the easiest way to make any style look its best. Keep twisting it till you reach the back and then hold it in place and secure with bobby pins. Insert the pins into the twist so that it's not seen. Repeat the same on the other side. Keep twisting and pulling on the twist and secure both together in the center of the head. Insert the bobby pins into the twist and this way they won't be seen at all. And that's it, this is how it looks and this one's my favorite. For the third one, take a section out just like this. Now smoothen the hair with your fingers, moving upwards in this direction. Place the section flat on the top of the head and secure with pins. Repeat the same on the other side. Secure both together on the top of the head just like this. Now take the rest of the hair into a ponytail and secure with a rubber band. Wrap a 1-inch section around the rubber band so that it's not seen. Use your fingers to fluff up the ponytail and that's it, you're done. So coming to the giveaway now, I went and picked up some jewelry from Pipa Bella. There is a cute little ring here. There are a pair of earrings and this is really pretty chunky necklace. And also I went and picked up 2 of my favorite lipsticks. So there will be 2 lucky winners who will get stuff from Pipa Bella and the lipstick. So to win these goodies, all you need to do is you need to be a subscriber to my channel. You need to share this video on your Facebook page and tag Not Me Pretty. You have to like this video and you have to comment below and tell me what are the other hairstyles you want me to recreate. So I hope this video helped you all. Do share and comment and please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the button down below and I'll see you all really soon. Bye!